Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So today I am at Melbourne Airport on a nice Sunday afternoon. As you can see here, a Jetstar flight getting ready to depart. Also, there's a Shenzhen Airlines, I think that's Qatar, Retro Livery in the background. So Virgin. Also there's another Qatar Airways down there, Jetstar, etc. Looks like a Qantas flight just landed from Sydney, and also there's a few other planes here as well. The flight we're just landing now is a flight from Brisbane. That is Virgin Australia, Boeing 737 landing in from Brisbane, just coming in now. You can see down there. So I am currently on level 6 of the Terminal 4 car park in Melbourne. It is a bit warm today, so I am not on level 7. This is on level 6. It's a bit cooler and is under the shade. I'm going to finish off the video here. Sorry this is a short one. That's why I come here and do a short video. Thanks everyone for coming. Hopefully everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next video.